Hey, it's Abram Kelly. I'm giving my video on my fifth grade game for algebraic reasoning. The game is pretty simple. It involves using 10 tiles or 10 identification markers and using three dry erase boards or just three objects you can kind of use over and over. I took a piece of paper and laminated it. So that's just what I'm using instead of dry erase boards. Just anything you can kind of erase and use multiple times because you don't want to. It's kind of tedious to just use a piece of paper, and it may not be as visible from maybe like a little distance. So the game is pretty simple. I call it solve and move. What the objective of the game is for the students to answer the most questions to reach the end goal. So in this case, there'll be 10 tiles. On each tile will be a category. For example, solve for X in addition and subtraction problems. And so pretty much how the game is set up, there will be 10 tiles set up, and on each side will be a student, and student number one, student number two, could be groups, but this game is pretty much set up for just one on one kind of deal, where but it could be set up for groups, and the teacher will be on the other end in front of the 10 tiles that are set up in front of her or him, and me in this case. So what would be next is the teacher would give out a problem based on where the marker the student is at. So in the very beginning, they'll just give out maybe just a whatever marker they're at. So if the first one is area, they would give out an area problem. And so students would have to do it on their dry erase board, and the first person who gets it right would move on to the next square. All right, and then from there they'll ask the other student another question, depending on the block they're at, depending on the category that they're at, the tile with the category that they're at. And so whoever would get it right, they would move on, and then it'd be so on, so on, so on. Whoever gets to the end first would win the game or the activity. And that's about it. That's about it for the fifth grade game.